When it comes to replacing doors in your Fort Worth home, many homeowners face a crucial decision. Should they opt for professional installation or take the DIY route? While tackling the project yourself might seem like a cost-effective solution, professional door installation offers numerous benefits that go beyond just convenience. From ensuring proper fit and security to enhancing energy efficiency and home value, expert installation is a worthy investment. Here's why hiring professionals for door replacement in Fort Worth is the best choice. Proper fit and functionality. One of the most critical aspects of door replacement is ensuring a proper fit. A poorly installed door can lead to issues such as drafts, misalignment, difficulty in opening or closing, and even security vulnerabilities. Professional installers have the expertise to measure accurately, account for frame adjustments, and install the door so that it operates smoothly and efficiently. They also know how to handle unexpected structural issues that may arise during the installation process, ensuring a seamless outcome. Enhanced security. Your doors are one of the primary barriers between your home and potential intruders. A professionally installed door ensures that locks, hinges, and frames are securely fitted, reducing the risk of break-ins. Professionals use the right tools and techniques to reinforce door structures, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Additionally, they can recommend high-quality materials and security features, such as deadbolts and smart locks, to enhance your home's safety. Improved energy efficiency. Fort Worth experiences hot summers and chilly winters, making energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. A poorly installed door can result in air leaks, which force your HVAC system to work harder, leading to increased energy bills. Professional installers ensure that doors are sealed correctly, preventing drafts and improving insulation. They also understand the best materials and installation techniques to maximize energy efficiency, helping you save money in the long run. Long-term cost saving. While DIY door replacement might seem like a way to cut costs, improper installation can lead to expensive repairs down the line. A misaligned or improperly sealed door may require frequent adjustments, replacements, or even damage repairs to the surrounding structure. Hiring a professional ensures the job is done right the first time, saving you money on future maintenance and repairs. Additionally, many professional installation services offer warranties, giving you added protection and value. Compliance with local building code. Fort Worth, like many cities, has specific building codes and regulations that must be followed during home improvement projects. Professional installers are knowledgeable about these requirements and ensure that your new door meets all necessary codes. This is particularly important for homeowners who plan to sell their property in the future, as non-compliant installations could lead to issues during inspections and appraisals. Aesthetic appeal and home value. A well-installed door contributes significantly to your home's curb appeal and overall aesthetics. Whether you're replacing your front door, patio doors, or interior doors, a professional installation ensures a polished and visually appealing result. Additionally, High-quality door replacements can increase your home's market value, making it a smart investment if you ever decide to sell. Time and convenience. Replacing a door is more than just swapping out the old for the new. It involves measuring, leveling, fitting, and sealing, all of which require specialized tools and skills. If you lack experience, the process can be time-consuming and frustrating. By hiring professionals, you save time and eliminate the hassle of dealing with unexpected challenges. You can sit back and relax, knowing your door replacement is in expert hands. Conclusion. Investing in professional door installation for your Fort Worth home is a decision that pays off in multiple ways. From ensuring security and energy efficiency to enhancing aesthetics and long-term durability, expert installation guarantees peace of mind. While DIY projects can be tempting, the risks and potential costs of improper installation outweigh any short-term savings. By choosing professional door replacement services, you ensure a high-quality, hassle-free installation that adds value to your home for years to come. If you're considering replacing a door, don't compromise. Hire a trusted professional for the best results.